this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and main category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, property location, and nearby attractions and landmark also. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address any of your basic questions about this property. We talk about amenities of this property, so you can see on the screen. This will be required to present photo ID at check-in. The property accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. The destination of the property is fine. Details plus to enjoy the surroundings. Facilities on this are available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Several deals and offers are available online for this property, along with various meal plans and payment policies. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. For more details, check the description. This kind of property this property, then you can press right immediately. We will help you. If you have already checked out from this property, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new on this channel or you have not subscribed to our channel yet,